Okay, number one, drafts or temperature changes. If you're walking up to your windows, you're sitting near a window and you can feel drafts coming through, significant temperature changes, whether that's in the winter or the summer, hot or cold air coming through, probably a good sign that it's time to replace your windows. Number two, condensation buildup between the panes. That's assuming that you have double pane windows. If you have single pane windows, it's definitely beyond time to replace your windows. But if you've got double pane windows and you're getting buildup in between them, you're getting condensation in between, that's a good indication that it's time to replace the windows. You definitely want to look at the windows closely. You want to make sure that the condensation is not building up on the outside of the window. If that's happening, that's normal. That means your windows are insulating your home. But if you have checked and the condensation is on the inside, it means that the seal has failed. Those windows are not insulating your home and it is time to replace them. Cracked or warped frames can happen as windows age. If you're looking at your windows, you see that you have vinyl that is warping or wood that is warping and cracking. Those windows are not protecting your home anymore. Your energy efficiency is through the floor. It's time to replace those windows. Number four is difficulty operating. If you have windows that are hard to open, they stick, it's hard to get them to slide or open, the casement doesn't work, doesn't crank anymore, those windows have failed. They are due for replacement. Increased noise pollution. This is a good reason to replace your windows. If you have noticed that there is an increase in the noise coming into your home, or if you just notice that your windows don't really help to protect, insulate your home from the noises outside, that's a good time to replace the windows. 6, high energy bills. If your energy bills are really high, it means your home is not very energy efficient. That is not just an indication that maybe you should replace your furnace. It's probably an indication you should replace your windows. Your windows are not insulating your home anymore. They're not protecting you from the outside elements like they could be. There are some really wonderful high efficiency windows that we can put into your home that will help to protect your home from the elements. Finally, number 7, the 7th sign that you shouldn't ignore, visible damage to your windows. This maybe goes without saying, but if you walk up to your window and you're looking at the edges of it, you're looking at the frame, it's damaged, whether from hail or just from weather, natural deterioration, it's time to replace those windows. If your windows are cracking, rotting, anything like that, let's get you in some new Pella windows that are going to be beautiful and durable. They're going to improve the energy efficiency of your home.